Hi everyone, welcome back to the Function Junction, where we make math simple and easy to understand. Today we'll be going over linear equations and how to solve them step by step. Linear equations are everywhere, in school, in exams, and even in real life. Let's solve them step by step in under 5 minutes. Let's start with the definition. A linear equation is an equation where the highest power variable is 1. Now, what on earth does that mean? Well, let's find the variable in this equation. If we take a look at x, we can see that there's no exponent above it. That means that x is to the power of 1. So when we see an equation where the largest exponent on the variable is 1, then that means we have ourselves a linear equation. Okay, now that we know what a linear equation is, let's learn how to solve them. First off, what do we mean when we say solve a linear equation? Well, if we take a look at this equation, we see 2x plus 3 equals 7. Our job is to find the value of x. So we want to figure out what number can we multiply 2 by, then when we add 3 to it, we will get 7. Instead of plugging in random numbers and using guess and check to solve this, there's an easier way. In order to solve for x, we need to isolate it. That means getting x alone on one side of the equation. The most important thing to keep in mind when solving linear equations is balance. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do the same to the other side. In order to do this, it's vital we know the opposite of the operations. For example, the opposite of addition is subtraction, and the opposite of multiplication is division, and vice versa. Now that we know that, let's get started. First thing we are going to do is get rid of the 3 on the left-hand side. And to do so, we have to do the opposite of the operation that's in front of the 3. In this case, we will subtract 3. Now, whatever we do to one side, we must do the same to the other side. So we will also subtract 3 from the right-hand side. This leaves us with 2x equals 4. Currently, x is being multiplied by 2. To untie x from 2, we have to do the opposite. We have to divide each side by 2. We have now successfully solved the linear equation and found x to equal 2. To prove we are right, we can go back and plug 2 into our original equation to see if both sides equal each other. We start off with our original equation and replace x with our answer 2. So we have 2 times 2 plus 3 should equal 7. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 gives 7, which proves that our answer is correct. Let's do another example. Here we have 6x minus 5 equals 13. First thing we're going to do is get rid of the 5 on the left-hand side. And to do so, we have to do the opposite of the operation that's in front of the 5. In this case, we will add 5. Now, whatever we do to one side, we must do the same to the other side. So we will also add 5 to the right-hand side. This leaves us with 6x equals 18. Currently, x is being multiplied by 6. To untie x from 6, we have to do the opposite. We have to divide each side by 6. We have now successfully solved the linear equation and found x to equal 3. To prove we are right, we can go back and plug 3 into our original equation to see if both sides equal each other. We start off with our original equation and replace x with our answer 3. So we have 6 times 3 minus 5 should equal 13. 6 times 3 is 18, minus 5 gives 13, which proves that our answer is correct. Congratulations! We have successfully learned how to solve linear equations. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Also, check out our free worksheet below to continue practicing your linear equations. See you next time!